Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the heatsink in your custom tower PC. This upgrade can significantly improve your system's cooling efficiency, leading to better performance and longevity. Let's get started. First, you'll need to gather your tools. Ensure you have the following: a Phillips screwdriver, thermal paste, a microfiber cloth, and an anti-static wrist strap. If you don't have an anti-static wrist strap, you can touch a grounded metal object frequently to avoid static damage. Next, power down your PC and unplug all cables. It's crucial to ensure your system is completely off before opening the case. Start by removing the side panel of your tower, usually secured by screws at the back. Set these screws aside carefully. Once the side panel is off, locate your current heatsink. It's usually mounted on top of the CPU. You'll see several screws or clips holding it in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, gently remove these screws, keeping track of them for reinstallation. If there are clips, carefully unclip them to release the heatsink. Now, you may encounter some resistance due to the thermal paste that bonds the heatsink to the CPU. Gently twist the heatsink to break this bond without applying too much force. Once free, lift it off and place it aside. Next, it's vital to clean the CPU surface. Use a microfiber cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to remove any residual thermal paste. This step is crucial for ensuring proper heat transfer with the new heatsink. Now, it's time to apply the new thermal paste. A pea-sized amount in the center of the CPU is sufficient. When you place the new heatsink on top, this will spread the paste evenly. After applying the thermal paste, take your new heatsink and position it carefully over the CPU. Align it with the mounting holes. Secure it in place using the screws or clips you removed earlier. Ensure it's snug but do not over-tighten, this could damage the CPU. If you're feeling unsure about any steps or lack the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This can help you make informed decisions about your upgrades. Plus, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you, no calls, no travel. Once the heatsink is secured, reconnect any cables you may have unplugged during the process. Replace the side panel of your tower and secure it with the screws. It's a good idea to double-check that everything is connected properly before powering it on. Now, plug your PC back in and start it up. Check the BIOS or software monitoring tools to ensure that your CPU temperatures are within a safe range. If you notice any issues or require additional assistance, we always provide a quote before repair to give you peace of mind. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced your heatsink and improved your system's cooling performance. Regular maintenance like this can significantly extend the life of your PC. Happy computing! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.